Second chapter integral calculus, exercise number 2.8. First sum. Integral 0 to 1 e power 2x into dx. Evaluate this value. We should find out this value. Solution. Let I equal to integral 0 to 1 e power 2x into dx. We know the formula integral e power ax into dx equal to e power ax divided by a plus c is the formula. Substitute this formula. I equal to integrate this value is what? A is what? 2. So e power 2x divided by 2 its value is what? Limit of 0 to 1. 0 to 1 is the limit. So we should substitute the limit. First limit is 1, second limit is 0. First limit we should substitute e power 2 into x value is what? 1 divided by 2. Next second limit we should substitute, then minus is a symbol, minus e power 2 into second limit is what? 0 divided by 2. So we should substitute here. 2 into 1 is what? 2 e square divided by 2 minus e power 2 into 0 is what? 0 e power 0 divided by 2 equal to e square divided by 2. We know that the value e power 0 equal to 1. Substitute this value minus 1 by 2. We should take 1 by 2 is a common. What is the remaining? E power 2 minus 1. That's all. Some integral 0 to 1 by 4 root of 1 minus 4x into dx. Solution, let I equal to integral 0 to 1 by 4 root of 1 minus 4x into dx. We should write it I equal to integral 0 to 1 by 4 1 minus 4x whole power 1 by 2 into dx. We know that the formula root of x is equal to x power 1 by 2. We should use this formula here. Next we know that the formula integral ax plus b whole power n into dx equal to ax plus b whole power n plus 1 divided by a into n plus 1 plus c is the formula. We should substitute this formula, integrate, then I equal to its integrate value is a is what? Minus 4, b is what? 1. So we should substitute here ax plus b 1 minus 4x whole power 1 by 2 divided by a is what? Minus 4, minus 4 into n is here n is 1 by 2 plus 1. Here n is what? 1 by 2 plus 1. Here plus c is a constant is we should substitute the limit, then we get the constant value. So substitute here, it's find this value 1 minus 4x whole power 1 into 2 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3 by 2 divided by minus 4 into 2 into 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 by 2 limit is what? 0 to 1 by 4. Now 2 and minus 4 is cancelled, minus 2. We know that I equal to 1 minus 4x whole power 3 by 2 divided by minus 2 into 3 is minus 6. Limit is 0 to 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is the limit. We should take a constant is out 1 divided by minus 6 into 1 minus 4x whole power 3 by 2, 0 to 1 by 4 is the limit. Now substitute the limit. First limit we should substitute 1 divided by minus 6. First limit is 1 minus 4 into x is what? 1 by 4. We should substitute 1 by 4 whole power 1 by whole power 3 by 2. Next limit substitute, then minus is a symbol. So substitute here 1 minus 4 into next limit is what? 0. X is what? 0. 0 whole power 3 by 2. So we should substitute 1 divided by minus 6. 1 here 4 4 cancel. So 1 minus 1 whole power 3 by 2 minus 1 minus 4 into 0 is a 0 whole power 3 by 2. So that is equal to 1 divided by minus 6. 1 minus 1 is a 0, 0 whole power 3 by 2 minus 1 minus 0 is what? 1, 1 whole power 3 by 2. So 1 divided by minus 6, 0 power 3 by 2 is 0 minus 1 power 3 by 2 is what? 1. We should substitute 1 divided by minus 6, 0 minus 1 is what? Minus 1. So minus minus cancel. 1 by 6 into 1 is what? 1 by 6. That's all. So interval 1 to 2 x into dx divided by x square plus 1. So we should take let I equal to interval 1 to 2 x into dx divided by x square plus 1. So we should take t is x square plus 1 is t. We should take differentiate with respect to x 2x square differentiation 2x constant differentiation 0, so leave it into dx equal to t differentiate then dt. So x into dx constant we should take right hand side dt divided by 2. Next we should change the limit. Limit is x equal to 1 then t equal to, we know that x square plus 1, t equal to x square plus 1. So x is what? 1. We should substitute 1 square plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 1. 1 square is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Suppose x is equal to 2, then x is equal to 2. T equal to 2 square. X square is what? X is 2, then substitute here 2 square plus 1. 2 square is what? 4. 4 plus 1 equal to 5. So substitute the limit I equal to interval 1, then 1 is what? X value 1, then t value is what? 2. Next x is equal to 2, then x is equal to 2, then t value is what? 5. So change the limit. Next x into dx, we know that x into dx is dt divided by 2. So dt divided by 2 divided by x square plus 1 is, we know that what is the x square plus 1 is t. So t 1 by 2 is a constant, take out 1 by 2 interval 2 to 5 dt divided by t. We know that the formula interval dx divided by x equal to log x plus c. Log mod x plus c is the formula. We should substitute now this same formula dt divided by t. X is what? T. We should substitute I equal to constant is what? 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Formula is the log of modulus x. Here log of modulus t. Log of modulus t. Limit is what? 2 to 5. Limit is 2 to 5. We should substitute now. That is equal to 1 by 2. Substitute the limit. Log, what is the modulus of 5? First limit is t value 5 minus log of modulus of 2. So that is equal to 1 by 2 log of modulus 5 is what? Log 5 minus log of modulus 2 is log 2. So we know that the formula log a minus log b equal to log a by b is the formula. So we should substitute this formula 1 by 2 into log a is what? 5, b is what? 2. So 5 divided by 2. That's all. Fourth sum, interval 0 to 3 e power x divided by 1 plus e power x into dx. Solution, let I equal to interval 0 to 3 e power x divided by 1 plus e power x into dx. Put 1 plus e power x is t. it's a differentiate with respect to x, it's a 1 differentiate, then it is what, 0 constant. So e power x differentiate, then e power x into dx equal to t differentiate, then dt. Now substitute the limit, change the limit when x equal to 0. X equal to 0, then t equal to, we know that t equal to what is it, 1 plus e power x, 1 plus e power x values is, we know that 0, substitute here. So 1 plus e power 0 value, we know that what is the 1, e power 0 equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 is what, 2. Next, when x equal to, next limit is what, 3, x value 3, then y limit is t equal to 1 plus e power x, e power x value is what, 3 equal to, that's all, 1 plus e power 3 is the second limit. So we should substitute this value in I equal to integral. First limit is t limit 2, next limit is what, 1 plus e power 3. Substitute e power x into dx is what is e power x into dx is dt divided by 1 plus e power x is, we know that what is here, t. So t, we know that the formula integral dx divided by x is equal to log of modulus x plus c is the formula. Substitute this formula here. I equal to dt divided by t, differentiate integrate, then what is here, log of modulus t. X is what is here, t. So modulus t, its limit is 2, 1 plus e power 3 is the limits. So we should substitute the limit. I equal to, the first limit substitute, then log of modulus 1 plus e power 3, 1 plus e power 3. Next limit is minus, substitute, then log t value is what, 2, second limit, modulus 2. So that is equal to log of 1 plus e power 3 minus log 2. So we know that the formula log a minus log b equal to log a by b is the formula. So substitute this formula, log a minus log b form, this is a, so log of 1 plus e power 3 divided by a divided by b is what, 2. This is a I value, that's all. Fifth sum, integral 0 to 1 x e power x square into dx. Solution, let I equal to integral 0 to 1 x e power x square into dx. We should take put x square is equal to t, we should take, it's a differentiate, then what is here, x square differentiate, then 2x equal to 2x into dx equal to t differentiate, then dt, t differentiate, then dt. Change the x into dx equal to constant, we should take right hand side, dt divided by 2. So now when x, change the limit, when x is equal to, first limit is what, is 0. So x is equal to 0, then t equal to x square, we know that t equal to what is there, x square. So what is the 0, 0 square equal to x is 0, substitute, then 0 square equal to 0. So first limit is the t limit is 0, when x equal to, what is the second limit, 1 implies t equal to x square, x is what, 1, so 1 square equal to what is the 1, second limit is what, 1. So same limit we should substitute. Now I equal to, change the limit, 0, x is equal to 0, then t also 0. So 0, x equal to 1, then t equal to 1. So 0 to 1. Yeah, we know that x dx is equal to, x dx is what, dt divided by 2, e power x square. X square we know that what is a t. So e power t, x dx is what, dt divided by 2, dt divided by 2. So constant we should take out 1 by 2 integral 0 to 1 e power t into dt. We know that the formula integral integral e power x into dx equal to e power x plus c is the formula. So we should substitute this formula here. I equal to 1 by 2 into e power t integrate, then what is here? E power t. E power t, its limit is 0 to 1. Limit is 0 to 1. That is equal to 1 by 2. Limit substitute here. T is what? 1 e power 1 minus, next symbol is minus, e power t value is what? 0. Next limit e power 0. That is equal to 1 by 2 into e power 1 is e minus e power 0 is, we know that e power 0 equal to what is the 1. So 1. So 1 into e power minus 1 is what? E power e minus 1. 1 into e minus 1 is what? E minus 1 divided by 2. That's all the answer. Sixth sum, integral 1 to e dx divided by x into 1 plus log x whole cube. Solution, let I equal to integral 1 to e dx divided by x into 1 plus log x whole cube. Put 1 plus log x equal to t we should take. So differentiate, then constant is what is 0, we know that. Log x differentiate, then what is here? 1 by x into dx equal to t differentiate, then dt. Change the limit. Change the limit, then what is here? X equal to, when x equal to, what is the first limit? 1 implies t equal to, we know that t equal to 1 plus log x. So 1 plus log x value, we know that what is here? 1. So log 1. We know that the value log 1 value is 0. 1 plus 0 equal to 1. We know that log 1 equal to 0. Next, when x equal to, next limit is what? E implies t equal to, what is the 1 plus log e. We know that log e value is what? 1. So 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So log e equal to, what is the value? 1. So substitute in I equal to integral, first limit is what? 1 t limit, second limit is what? 2, 1 to 2, dx divided by x is, we know that dx divided by x is what? Dt. So dt divided by 1 plus log x is, we know that 1 plus log x is what? T. So 1 plus log x whole cube is what? T cube. So it is take numerator, integral 1 to 2 t power minus 3 into dt. We know that the formula, integral x power n into dx equal to x power n plus 1 plus c is the formula. We should substitute this formula here. I equal to t power minus 3, then what is here? N is what? Minus 3. T power minus 3 plus 1 divided by, here formula is n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So divided by minus 3 plus 1. Limit substitute here, 1 to 2. 1 to 2. So substitute, then t power minus 3 plus 1 is what? T power minus 2 divided by minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. Its limit is what? 1 to 2. Now substitute the limit. First one we should take a constant is out. 1 divided by minus 2. Its value is what? T power minus 2. Limit is what? 1 to 2. Now substitute the limit. 1 divided by minus 2. The first limit t is what? 2. Substitute, then 2 power minus 2. Minus is the symbol. Next 1 power minus 2. So 1 divided by minus 2. Its power is negative, then we should take down 1 divided by 2 square in the positive power minus 1 divided by 1 square. We know that 1 divided by, so t power minus 2, then 1 divided by t square. So same formula we should use here. That is equal to 1 divided by minus 2 into 1 divided by 2 square is 4 minus 1 divided by 1 square is what? 1. That is equal to 1 divided by minus 2 into 1 by 4 minus 1 by 1 is what? 1 equal to 1 divided by minus 2 into 1 4s are 4. 1 minus 4 is a minus 3 divided by 4. So minus minus cancel, that is equal to 1 into 3 is 3 divided by 2 4s are 8. That's all the answer.